Infiniti-X repair quotes. Infiniti is the luxury vehicle division of Japanese automaker Nissan. Infiniti officially started selling vehicles on November 8, 1989. In North America, the marketing network for Infiniti-branded vehicles included dealers in over 50 countries in the 2010s. As of 2020, there were 25 markets served by new car dealers. The 2013 Infiniti-X is a luxury compact crossover SUV that offers a blend of elegant design, engaging performance, and a well-appointed interior. It caters to individuals and small families seeking a stylish and comfortable vehicle with sporty driving characteristics. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2013 Infiniti-X. Servicing your Infiniti-X is crucial to maintain its performance, reliability, and safety. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Infiniti-X service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Infiniti-X owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Following the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your X in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Infiniti service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Infiniti vehicles. They have access to genuine Infiniti parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to EX models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Infiniti's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your EX's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your EX's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Infiniti's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your EX's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Infiniti for your X. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Infiniti service center. By staying proactive with your Infiniti-EX's maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its longevity, performance, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.